Hello everyone, friends. Today we will explore the CoinEX exchange, a convenient and reliable platform that is perfect for both beginners and experienced traders. CoinEX has been operating since 2017 and is known for its stability, security, and the ability to trade without mandatory KYC verification, making it an excellent choice for those who value privacy. What we will discuss today: registration and verification, funding your account and starting to trade, using copy trading, staking, and trading bots. Follow our partner link in the description and receive $100 cash back for completing a few simple tasks, as well as a discount on trading fees. Just register with the promo code PUMP69 and the bonuses will be linked to your account. CoinEX is an international cryptocurrency exchange that has been operating for over 7 years and ranks among the top for reliability, with a focus on privacy. It serves millions of users from over 200 countries and offers numerous opportunities to earn. Spot trading, hundreds of pairs with low fees, only 0.1%. Futures, contracts with leverage of up to 100. Earn, staking and flexible savings with interest. Copy trading, the ability to replicate the trades of professionals. CET token, discounts on fees and bonuses for holders. P2P platform, convenient buying and selling of crypto with a card or through a bank. To start earning on CoinEX, the first step is to register. The process takes just a few minutes. Follow the link in the description. This is the official partner link for CoinEX with bonuses. Enter your email and create a strong password. Make sure the referral code PUMP69 is entered in the referral code field to activate the bonuses. A confirmation code will be sent to your email. Copy it and paste it on the site. Enable two-factor authentication 2FA in the security section to protect your funds. CoinEX is also available in a mobile app. The exchange will prompt you to scan a QR code and download it from the App Store or Google Play to manage your balance and trade directly from your smartphone. On CoinEX, you can trade and withdraw funds without KYC, which is appealing for those who want to maintain anonymity. However, for increased limits and access to fiat operations, it's best to complete KYC. Without KYC, up to $10,000 per day, but limited access to some features. With KYC, limit up to $1 million, access to P2P, launch pool, and promotions. To complete the verification, 1. Go to your profile and select Verification. 2. Specify your country and type of document, passport, ID card, or driver's license. 3. Upload a photo of the document and take a selfie. 4. Confirmation typically takes 5 to 15 minutes. Deposits and withdrawals on CoinEX. Let's go over how to fund your account and withdraw funds. Method 1. Deposit cryptocurrency. Go to Assets. Deposit. Select a coin, for example, USDT, and specify the network. Copy the CoinEX wallet address. Go to your wallet or another exchange and send the crypto. Method 2. Deposit via P2P. CoinEX offers a P2P platform for buying crypto with your national currency, supported in over 200 countries. How it works. Go to the P2P trading section on the main page of CoinEX. Select the currency you want to pay with, such as USD or EUR. Specify the payment method, such as bank transfer, Revolut, Wise, Payoneer, and others. Review the list of sellers. Check their ratings, preferably above 95%, and the number of successful trades. Click Buy USDT, enter the amount, follow the instructions, and transfer the money to the seller. After the seller confirms payment, the cryptocurrency will automatically be credited to your balance. Method 2. Purchase via online exchanger. BestChange. If P2P is unavailable in your country, use trusted exchangers. Follow the link to BestChange, link in the description. On the left, select how you will pay, such as your bank or payment service. On the right, select what you will receive, for example, USDT, TRC20. Choose an exchanger with the best rate, high rating, and sufficient reserves. Enter the amount and paste the CoinEX deposit address that you copied from the deposit section. Pay according to the details and wait. Within 5-30 minutes, the funds will arrive in your CoinEX account. Withdrawals. Withdraw to a crypto wallet. Go to Assets. Withdraw. Select the desired coin, for example, USDT, and the network, TRC20, BSC, Arbitrum, etc. Paste the recipient wallet address and specify the amount. Confirm the withdrawal through a code from your email or 2FA. After a few minutes, the transaction will appear on the blockchain, and the funds will be sent to your address. Withdrawal via P2P. Go to P2P trading. Sell tab. Select the currency and amount. Specify your bank or payment system. Wait for the buyer to transfer money to your card, check for receipt, and only then confirm the deal. After confirmation, the system will automatically unlock the USDT and transfer it to the buyer. Withdrawal via online exchanger. BestChange. If you need to withdraw cryptocurrency from CoinEX to fiat, to a card or electronic money, follow the same steps as when depositing, but in reverse. Go to the BestChange website, link in the description. On the left, select what you are giving, for example, USDT, TRC20. On the right, select what you want to receive, your country's currency to a card, euros to Revolut, dollars to Wise, etc. A list of exchangers will appear on the screen. Pay attention to exchange rates, ratings and reviews, availability of the required amount. Go to the website of the selected exchanger. Enter the amount, your CoinEX wallet address for sending, and the details of where you want to receive the money. Transfer crypto from CoinEX to the exchanger's address through the Withdraw, USDT, TRC20 section. After the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, the exchanger will transfer the funds to your card or account. Typically, the operation takes 5 to 30 minutes, depending on the network and service. Now that your account is funded, it's time to dive into trading. CoinEX offers two main modes, spot trading and futures trading with leverage of up to 100. Spot trading is a classic way to buy or sell cryptocurrency at the current price. You receive the coins in your balance and can withdraw them to an external wallet at any time. How to start? Ensure that the funds are in your spot account. If they are in another account, like P2P or futures, transfer them. Go to Assets and click Transfer. Go to the top menu and select Trade, Spot. In the upper left corner, choose a trading pair, for example BTC USDT. Under the chart, a form will appear, 2 blocks. On the left, the green Buy button. On the right, the red Sell button. Types of orders: Market Order, Market Tab. Buying or selling happens instantly at the current price. Just enter the amount and the trade will execute immediately. This is the simplest option, suitable for beginners. Limit Order, Limit Tab. You specify the price at which you want to buy or sell. For example, if BNB is priced at 1,330 USDT, but you want to buy it cheaper at 1,300, enter that price and the purchase amount, then click Buy. The order will appear below. Once the price reaches 1,300, the order will execute automatically. Advanced orders on CoinEX. Stop limit and stop market. These orders allow you to automatically enter a trade or protect a position, even if you're not monitoring the market. You set a level, and the exchange does everything when the price reaches that value. Stop limit order. Set 2 parameters. Stop, the price at which the order activates. Limit, the price at which it will be executed. For example, if BNB is priced at 1,328 USDT and you want to buy on a breakout at 1,500 USDT, specify both values as 1,500. When the price reaches 1,500, the exchange will create a limit order. Stop market order. This order triggers when the stop price is reached and executes at the market price. For example, if BNB is priced at 1,328 USDT and you expect a rise on a breakout at 1,500, set the stop as 1,500. Once the price reaches 1,500, the order activates, and the system will buy at the current price. Main difference: stop limit are precise but may not execute if the price skips. Stop market: guaranteed execution, but the price may differ slightly. After the trade, the purchased coins can be seen in the Assets Spot Account section. From there, you can withdraw, exchange, or sell them. Futures are trading contracts, not the coins themselves. You can profit from both rising prices, long, and falling prices, short, using leverage of up to 100. How to start trading futures. If there are no funds in your futures account, transfer them. Assets: transfer from spot account to futures account, USDTM. Go to the Trade section. Futures. Select a trading pair, for example BTC USDT or ETH USDT. Setting trade parameters. Margin type: isolated margin. You risk only the amount invested in that specific trade. If the price goes against you, the exchange will only close that position, leaving the rest of your balance untouched. Example, you have 100 USDT. You open a trade with 20 USDT using isolated margin. If the position is liquidated, you will only lose 20 USDT, and the remaining 80 will stay in your account. Tip: suitable for beginners, as you know exactly how much you can lose. Cross margin. The entire balance of your futures account is used as a common buffer. If the price goes against you, the system uses additional funds from your balance. Example, you have 100 USDT. You open a trade with 20 USDT, but the market drops. The system automatically uses the remaining 80 USDT to maintain the position. Plus, you can ride out a temporary drop if you are confident in a reversal. Minus: if the movement continues against you, you can lose your entire balance. Leverage. Leverage increases the size of your trade, allowing you to trade with a larger amount than you actually invested. Example, a 10x leverage means your trade is 10 times larger than your collateral. With 100 USDT and 10x leverage, you trade as if you have 1,000 USDT. For beginners, it's safer to use leverage no higher than 5x. The higher the leverage, the faster you can earn, but you can also lose your entire deposit. Earning on futures. Long. You open a trade expecting the price to rise. Example, bought BTC at 130,000 USDT and sold at 200,000 USDT. You profited from the rise. Short. You open a trade expecting the price to fall. Example, opened a short at 200,000 USDT and closed at 120,000 USDT. You profited from the fall. Types of orders. Market order opens immediately at the current price. Limit order opens when the price reaches your level. After opening a position. Set stop loss, a level where the trade will automatically close at a loss. Take profit, a level to lock in profits. Example. This way, you control your emotions and do not lose more than planned. Copy trading on CoinEX. Let's discuss one of the features that allows even beginners to earn: copy trading. It is available in the Futures Copy Trading section. What is it? Copy trading allows you to automatically replicate the trades of experienced traders. You don't need to analyze the market yourself. You choose a trader, allocate an amount, and the system copies their actions, including opening, closing, stop loss, and take profit. How it works. Go to Futures. Copy trading in the top panel of the site or app. A list of traders will appear in front of you. Each shows statistics. ROI, return on investment percentage, P&L, profit and loss, number of subscribers, trading period. Use filters to select a suitable trader. Sort by profitability, number of trades, and risk level. Pay attention to stability and trading duration. Once you choose a trader, click Copy. A settings window will open. Copying settings. Copy amount. Specify how much USDT you want to allocate, for example 50 or 100 USDT. Leverage type. You can use the trader's leverage or set your own. Beginners should not exceed 5x. Stop loss and take profit. You can set limits on losses and profit-taking levels. Click Confirm, and the system will start automatically replicating the selected trader's trades. How profit is calculated. When the trader closes a profitable trade, you earn the same return proportionate to your amount. For example, if the trader has a plus 10% profit and you invested 100 USDT, your account will grow to 110 USDT. From this profit, the leader receives a commission which is deducted automatically. Pre-token trading on CoinEX. Pre-token trading is a unique format that allows you to buy tokens before their official listing. You can enter a project earlier than others, when the price hasn't risen yet. What is pre-token trading? This is pre-listing trading, where users can trade tokens of new projects before they hit the spot market. CoinEX allows traders to evaluate new assets in advance. How it works. Find the section. On the main page of CoinEX, select Trade Pre-token from the top menu. Choose a project, for example, Pre-XPL or Pre-Liner. Open the token page to see the current price, number of participants, and listing date. Trade pre-token like a regular coin. After the pre-period ends, all pre-tokens are automatically converted into actual tokens of the project. Example. Suppose you bought Pre-XPL at 0.10 USDT. A week later, the token lists at 0.25 USDT. When the delivery occurs, your pre-XPL turns into XPL and you earn a profit even before the project goes live. If you want to earn income from crypto without risk, CoinEX offers the Earn section, where you can profit from flexible savings. This is passive income. You freeze your coins and the exchange pays interest. Where to find it? On the main page of CoinEX, open the top menu and select Earn. Go to the Flexible Savings section. You will see a table with assets and their yields. How it works. Choose a coin, for example, USDT, with a yield of up to 5% annually. Click Subscribe, enter the amount and confirm the operation. Interest starts accruing the next day and you can withdraw your funds at any time. If you are willing to lock up your coins for a specific period, fixed staking is available in the Earn section, offering a higher yield. Go to the top menu on CoinEX and select the Earn section. Choose the Fixed Staking tab. How it works. Select a coin and specify the locking period, for example, 30, 60, or 90 days. Enter the amount and confirm the operation. Interest accrues daily, and at the end of the staking period, the coins return to your balance along with the profits. We have covered all the main features of CoinEX, from registration to trading and staking. Now you can confidently use the platform for trading and earning passive income.